What's up, guys? Devin with Adventure Hobby Passion back today doing another video. We're going on an adventure with the truck. We're gonna go do some off-roading, but we're also gonna play at a lake. So we're gonna jump right into all the pictures and videos from this little trip.
I grew up in a place where they told you what to chase, told you how to run the race. Every move was on the page, but I didn't like their way. Had to fight and misbehave, had to find a way to change, had to leave to find my way. Caught up in a daydream, I beat my mind up there almost daily. It's how I pass time, no opinions safely. It's how I understand what I want in this place, see. Cause everybody wanna tell you bad things, what could go wrong, what fame brings. But success is a finicky thing, and if you ain't sure, no, it'll never be. And I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down.
All right, well, we got another river crossing. So you know what that means? We're going through it. I don't love how deep this is going. Oh baby, look at that. I made it super mucky. And I was going slow. Well, let's go slow through it again. And then here's the river crossing. This is what I see. Look how deep we are. That's so fun! Alright, we'll get out and have the phone film it. This is the main way I started going through, but it's like wicked deep. That one's a lot less deep. If I had disc breathers, I think I would have gone through there. The four-wheelers, it looks like they thought that this was a good idea. And then it jumps right down immediately. It's so freaking cool up here. There's a pipe coming out of the mountain right there. Whew. It's super deep, it's crazy. Well, let's go check out how deep it gets on the truck. Yeah, I better not. The top of the axle's wet. But one more time, just for fun. Ah, my camera fell down.
Meanwhile.
All right. Hopefully you don't fall down. All right, well, we got this one. We're going through the river again. Look how deep we are. You open the door and we're like really close. Look, our GoPro's right there. That means we need to go get it. Oh my gosh. All right, I'm pretty sure that'll be passed. So now we back up. And we get out. And we grab the GoPro. Loves the filming by yourself. Tripod. Hopefully it's still filming. All right, well, how slow can you go? Oh my gosh, we're so deep. That's like 2 feet of water. I love her when she's wet. She looks so good. So good. Uh-oh, she's dripping. She got water on the skid plates. She looks good in her natural habitat. Boom! Skadoosh! Yeah, baby. Your boy over here getting them shots. and my favorite place, river crossings. We really need to do disc breather mods so we can go through deep stuff like that, so we can get up to our sliders. All right, well, let's go back home. All right, well, hopefully you enjoyed that video. No, we did not get the jumping and playing at the lake. That is going to be actually in a short video this Sunday, which is gonna get its own video. So hopefully you enjoyed the off-roading and me doing it by myself and trying to film it and just make it unique myself, just having fun with it. So yeah, hopefully you enjoyed today's video. Like, comment, share, subscribe. But biggest thing with my channel, go out and go find your passion.